part 2 sa vlog. It's I don't know if you can hear me, but it's currently February 17. February 17 and it's 8:22 a.m. Monday. Tapos among unang lesson kay ang kang Sir Bern and he's not around so ang naa sa kay si ang OGT. And then mag-report me. Mag-report me. Then group 2 ang mag-report ron. Then I have also done with my reflection paper. Pero sila at the moment kay they're very how do I say this? Noisy as of the moment. And then si Namiki nag-transfer siyang chair. I don't know what she's doing but she's transferring her kanang chair. Oh, it's Villadrin and Hanad. And I am trying to make myself comfortable here kay alangan bako jud kay sa tanan kay bago pa magud siyang pintal nya among na-absorb tanan and then kay inigawas na mo kay addict na mi but it's okay kay that's part of life and so wala ko isulti podcast ni siya guys this is podcast pero ang quality niya kay mura siya let's say nata sa year 2015 and then we're just college students nga murag high school, you know, we're broke, we're young, dumb and broke. Pero nakalbaan po may kailangan hapit na mo ang breakout session with Doc M aka Doc Megan and then wala nagkuan lang mi kay lisod kayo ang breakout session. That's what we heard from our seniors. Pero wala may kaibaw kay alang this Wednesday man. Yes sir, magtiwas pa sir? Magtiwas pa sa room. Unya wala na may laing room. So muna na ang ending, wala may laing room. So magtiwas pag pintal. And that's it. Di ka mo ari ma'am. Nag-vlog ko. Di ka mapil sa akong vlog. That's si Hanilin. Okay, Murag nato sa year 2012. Silang klase guys, ako na nang hipuson kaya lang wala may room, naabot ang tigpintal na si sir nga bawal mo klase dire kaya wala pa na magpintal. Bye.